Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dylan down here at Get Lowered Cycles. Today we got a pretty cool video to show you guys. So we got our Lowrider S with the 114 475 cam in it. Same setup as the last couple videos. Another Bassani pipe. Pretty stoked about this one. So we got the 2-in-1 Super Bike pipe on it in stainless, I believe. I'll show you guys in a couple seconds. It looks really cool. Standard video format, we're going to do the idle, the startup, show the pipe off, get some dyno charts. Now I have to say, this pipe actually did pretty damn good on the dyno. I think you guys will be pretty stoked to see this one. Not as loud as the sweepers we did in the last video, but this one's still pretty good. So let's check it out. So here it is. This is the Basani 2-in-1 Super Bike. Now, as you can see, you can actually check out here. You can see the welds kind of getting shown off. It looks pretty cool. I like it. Now, this pipe in particular has a very deep sound to it, so it's a very thumpy kind of sound. Kind of nice boom to it. You'll hear it a lot in the dyno and obviously some of the drive-bys we do. This pipe, I really like the way it looks. Sounds damn good. And it also has some really good mid-range kind of power to it. So definitely check the dyno chart when you get a chance. But yeah, also, one last thing before I let you guys go. How do you guys feel about these Galfer wave rotors? I really like these. I was test riding the bike before I started the video here. These things look so clean. I love the way they look. Now, what's really cool is these come in just the standard colors. Like you can get the black with that kind of stainless look to it, but you can also customize the carrier and button colors to kind of a custom color. So if you got a bike with some really cool paint jobs on it, you can get these rotors to match up just about any kind of color you got. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.